Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I've got my 1/10 scale Traxxas Maxx monster truck out with me. As you guys can see, these are not the stock wheels and tires. These right here are some homemade 3.8 inch studded tires that I made. I actually made them to test on my 110 Traxxas Summit, and they actually work surprisingly well. And I thought, since the Maxx has 17mm hexes, and these are also 17mm hexes, why not go ahead, try to mount them up on the Traxxas Maxx, and see if we can rip this thing in the snow. So I'm super interested to know if this is going to work or not. The good thing is we will gain some clearance. So these are the stock tires right here, so you guys can see how much larger of a tire these 3.8s are. And on top of that, it has self-tapping screws that I screwed from the inside, sticking out. So I screwed them from the inside, and then I glued the heads to the actual inside of the tire. Then I also reinforced the backside with Gorilla Tape so these screws do not push back in from the weight of the RC on top of them, because I was a little bit worried they'd push back into the foams. So that hasn't been a problem. They've held up very well, but this is going to be the fastest brushless machine I put it on, because the Summit doesn't have that much wheel speed. So I'm a little bit concerned it could potentially spit out one of these screws, so hopefully that Gorilla Glue holds. Yeah, we're going to be running on 4S. Let me go ahead, get her hooked up, and then we're going to jump right in this video. This should be a heck of a lot of fun. Alrighty guys, it is time to rock and roll. Here we go. So we just got 3 to 4 inches of fresh powder last night, so there's a fairly decent layer of snow. So this thing's going to have to pull through some fairly deep snow, but we're just going to have to see. But with that extra clearance, hopefully we'll be able to claw through some of this stuff. So I think we need to start off with a launch. Ready, get set, go! Oh yeah! This is working really well. Also, by the way guys, if you are enjoying my content, especially with the Traxxas Maxx, make sure to go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell. So you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. Let's keep on going. She's an absolute ripper. This might be kind of over-geared now, because that definitely changes the overall gear ratio when you put bigger wheels and tires like this on. Almost stuck. Keep her pinned. I think she hit a limp mode, but I've had issues with a lot of my electric machines hitting some type of limp mode or over voltage mode, especially in the snow with all the strain that it puts on the system. I just need to watch out, because when I do give it full throttle and hold it, that's when that happens. So I need to be at like 80-90% throttle. Then we should be able to get through this stuff and still have a heck of a lot of fun. Alright, let's keep on ripping. I want to go check out the RC track over here. I'm actually at my local RC track. You probably can't tell because it's all covered in snow, but I want to rip it around here a little bit. So yeah, we need another launch though. Launch! those studs definitely come in helpful. One, two, three, go! Let's hit up the RC track. Almost stuck. Limp mode again. I want to go over here and hit this lip. Ooh. Reverse. Oh. Tumble. Let's get over to it. Ooh, hit the tree. Oh, we're stuck. Alright guys, let's try this again. I want to go ahead and hit this lip right here with as much speed as possible. Here we go. Stuck. Yeah, you get slowed down so much by the snow right before the lip that it's hard to get any air. I'm pinned, but I think she hit low voltage mode again. Or not low voltage mode, over voltage mode. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I think the ESC is not really liking these big wheels and tires and trying to pull this thing through the snow. It keeps on hitting over voltage mode. But this still worked pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But if you did enjoy this video, make sure to go ahead and give it that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Later.